It certainly wasn't a normal day for Laurel business owner Jody McKay. She was one of many cleaning up after strong winds ripped through Montana Wednesday.
The wind knocked the fence down back here.
Her doggy daycare, Molly and Friends, had its back fence completely torn out, forcing the business to close Thursday.
Luckily, all the staff were fine. They got all the dogs inside.
But that was just the end of Jody's crazy day with the winds. It all began several hours earlier when she was picking up her daughter here from Laurel Middle School, and what played out like a scene from a movie.
Obviously, the wind was howling pretty good.
At 2:30 that afternoon, she parked across the street from the school waiting when it all happened suddenly.
I heard a big crash and crack, and next thing I know, there's a Christmas tree inside my passenger window.
A tree she had parked in front of toppled over right on top of and into her car, just narrowly missing her.
That tree did bonk me a little bit, so that was really scary. But I'm okay. I don't think I'm going to enjoy windstorms very much from now on.
But even scarier is what could have happened. The tree ended up in the seat her daughter, 7th grader Allison, would have been sitting in just a few minutes later.
I don't think I've fully processed or really allowed myself to think about that too much, and I'm just really grateful that she wasn't in the car yet.
Many who saw it happen jumped into action immediately, from surrounding parents, police, and even city officials.
They say, like, when bad things happen, to look for the helpers. There was a big chunk of tree that was in the middle of the road, and all the moms grabbed the tree and pulled it off the middle of the road into the boulevard.
Now, after the dust and wind have settled, she's left without a car. But what she is left with is gratitude.
What even goes through your head in that moment?
Well, thankfully it wasn't the tree that went through my head. It's easy to get bogged down into the bad part of it, but I'm really grateful. So I think the more that we can help each other, try to help people handle these kinds of things, the better. Sometimes it brings out the best in us.
In Laurel, Isabel Sparts, MTN News.